Another noise for creating the train is a drift noise. If you click and drag it, it simply creates a simple shelves on our train like this. Nice, you can see it. If you go into the 2D and raw details, here you can see the height map. You can turn on enhanced view for better seeing the details. Here you can see the waviness, wavy effects, and the shelves on top of each other. Nice. And that's it. This is a drift noise. This noise has two structure. Larger structure, it changed the large waves of the drift, and the small structure of that. If you can change the scale of that waves, and as you can see, you can scale it down or scale it up. You can increase or decrease the channels. As you can see, you can the channels actually is the amount of the shelves. As you can see, we have more shelves here. You can change the amount, right click and set reset. So the channels is, and as you can see, it's because it's heavy, it's thinking. I'm recording because of that. And here you can change the direction of that shells. Nice. Right click and reset it. It's working and working. If it does not work, click here, force refresh. In some cases we need. You can change the direction of that, and as you can see, you can change the direction of that shelves. And this is a smaller structure for small shelves. You can increase or decrease the number of the shelves. Scale it down. As you can see, we have more shelves inside of that. Undulation is for creating more wave on that. If it does not work in update in scene, click force refresh. Because I'm recording, it's because of that. Undulation, make it up, and as you can see, it add more wave to our. And as you can see, you can more wave. You can change the direction of that wave. The process for octaves, it's actually make more complex shells for you. Octaves increase the number. As you can see, we have more dense and changing the shells. The chaos, it's its names. It's control the chaos, changing direction. The chaos actually of these shells and waves. And of course, seats, if you click, it changes the random position, rotation of the shelves and your train. Nice. And you can add it to your other nodes. Okay, you understand this node, and we have to use them to combine to other node and invert. As you can see, it inverted up and down. Okay. Now it's bringing down. You can invert it. It's bringing up. Okay. So you can use it, or you can make it a clamp and minimum and maximum of that. What's in this case we don't need, because it's the drift noise create based on the surface. It does not have any peak or bulky shape. So it's settings, and these settings always are in each node of here, each node. That I have to explain them one by one, but if it's necessary in actually I have to explain them in some examples. You can better understand them. For example, in the previous notes, you see the invert mode if we have a 2D. It's reverse the black and white data for creating this bumpiness. All the software, for example, if you right click and mark it as an export and go into the build, and as you can see, it exported just 2D image. So the everything in the Gaea and exporting this tools is height map, black and white. And the other software, other 3D package, Maya 3D Max, Cinema 4D, or Unreal Engine, Unity, to understanding the height map. So it's all about this. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.